Hey folks, thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars. Once again, it's Captain James Nelson here, and check out this one. You're like, whoa, man, I can't take credit for this part of this build. I did not build this. This is a Fender bass, and but what we did is a 37-inch conversion neck, and you can hear this thing is already making thunder. Yeah, so that's it. So this is actually ready. Going to do a little video demo and get this baby sent out. The customer is going to get this back in the box that he sent it in and get this in a separate box, and some assembly required. Real easy, 4-bolt system. That's, what can you say? But I thought I'd give a little video sample what it's going to sound something like. Of course, keep in mind, I am not a bass player, and as you can tell, I'm not an interior decorator either. What a mess this place has become. I'll tell you, I am just like so crazy busy, and I appreciate it. I give all credit to everybody who's been supporting us, who's been watching all the videos, the people who have seen, commented, and shared, and liked, and everything to help take a look at the multicaster here. Multitasker, excuse me. Anyways, yeah. That was a great little thing, the great guitar build off there, and thank you all for those of you who voted. I think it's a pretty cool guitar, but what can you say? Look at what we got here. We've got maple, walnut maple. I've got, of course, dual action truss rod with carbon fiber rods inside. This baby is as stable as you can get. Stainless steel frets with a 0 fret. Bone spacer. We've got hip shot tuners. The customer sent those, so I can't take credit, but you know me and hip shot, I love them. So there you have that. We've got an ebony fretboard, 22 frets. Yeah, 22 frets on a 37-inch scale. Thing is, oh, here. There you go. We got a G-sharp tuning thing going on. Ask me, say, James, will you do necks? I mean, I thought you just made guitars. Well, I make the guitars so I can put the necks on. I love building necks. To me, necks are the most fun part of it. Love shaping them. All the shaping here is done by hand. Power tools, of course, for part of it, but then a lot of hand tools, a lot of hand scrapers. Use that Shinto rasp, a lot of sandpaper, a lot of just doing this with sandpaper back and forth, get everything all trimmed and right. Having a good set of calipers really helps, get the right dimensions all the way down. This one, I believe we're working on 23 millimeter for the most of it. Yeah. Beetlejuice type finish that I like. That's a combo of oil and shellac. I use both alternately to actually fill the pores up. Sand as you go to get those pores nice and filled, and then keep going till you get it to a nice buffable range, and then buff it. That's what you got. On these, the headstock, I do use a little CA to seal up both the logo and the handwriting, and that's it. Other than that, I mean, you're looking at wood at its finest. And soon this will be in the hands of a bass player at his finest. And not a hack like me. But there you go. So yes, I do love to make necks. The other thing I get people questioning, James, do you make basses? I see good. Yes, I love basses. I love making bass necks. I love making basses. And people ask me, oh man, you don't make lefties, do you? Yes, I will make a lefty. Just order one. All you got to do is place an order. Give me a call, give me an email, give me a text, whatever. Contact me. Send your favorite carrier pigeon over with a note, a bottle, whatever it takes, man. Just send it. Get a hold of me. I'll make it for you. Good grief. Hey, Dude Craft Guitars. And I'm the dude. I'll make it for you. Yeah. All right, so that's it. That's I don't know what other sound samples I can give you. I mean, it's a JB with 37-inch neck. I mean, tuned to G sharp. I mean, this thing is going to thud. I like to do when I do conversions, and this is what the customer here understood. He sent me the body. It's very important. I can make a neck to spec and hope that everything works out for you. Send it and you're on your own. Good luck, pal. I don't like to do it that way. The best way to do it is send the unit with or without the current neck attached, and I'll get the conversion neck on there, get it all set up. I had to make some adjustments with the bridge to make this work. As you can see, it does go back quite a bit of ways, even according to the ruler, everything's set. You've got to take into consideration the string size, the scale. As far as, in this, we're talking 37 inch. So even though, you've got 18 and a half here and 18 and a half here, does not mean that this is exactly 18 and a half by the time you get the intonation set. You're going to get, a lot of variance based on the string size. These are great little string joys. I don't know if you can see, but you got a taper, so it's not humongous here. This helps you keep the action where it should be, even though he's got a thunderous, I think it's a 175, some ridiculously huge. I mean, that's like a bridge cable, that thing. Suspension bridges have cables smaller than that holding them up, and we drive across them every day. So there you go. It's a beautiful thing. Wonderful guitar, wonderful strings, and I can't wait to get it in the hands of a wonderful musician. So thanks again, Tom, and get you this thing all set, get it to you, and get you rocking. All right. Thanks again for tuning in to Dude Craft Guitars.